In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a website for your leather repair service. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Mighty Sites service yet, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, leather repair service. There is as well a leather cleaning service, but for this one, I'm focusing on the leather repair service. So let's select that template and go ahead and give Mighty Sites a few basic details about our leather repair service so I can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my leather repair business. And there it is. It's literally generated a website in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images, as you can see, and they're all really high quality. They're completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images of all the different leather repair services you've done, and you want to make one or two changes to that content to suit your business, you're welcome to do that. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, making my way through each section on the website so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web professional. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on update section at the top for the first section and go ahead and put in my email address over here. And I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my Mighty Sites website. There we go. It's now displayed in the top right hand corner. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number that will be displayed next to my email address, and it is click to call, by the way. If you have a physical location, go ahead and put in your address and your postal code as you already did put in your city and your state or province. Let's save that. Now, the great thing about that address is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your leather repair service business if you have a physical location, that is. Let's make sure it's saved and head over to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your leather repair service is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Your customers can click on the icons, be taken to your social media accounts, give you a follow, and see what you're up to, get some engagement going. Now, over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo to hire a graphic designer, for example, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are some great free options on there. Our logo has now been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect. So I'm going to leave it as is, and now I'm going to move along. Now with Mighty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors used throughout your website for you, but perhaps it doesn't quite go with your branding, your business cards, the signage on your vehicle, or in your physical location if you have one. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. You don't need to know any color coding. Go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, although I think it's actually the one that's already been selected. I think it's really suitable. That one is also great. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one, very similar to my previous one. Awesome. I'm now going to hit update section and head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use. But you do need to play around with the terms a little bit. So it's automatically searched for leather repair service. And I'm not seeing any suitable images. So I'm going to go ahead and just say leather sofa, for example, and see what pops up. Let's check it out. Awesome. Let's look at one more page. I'm not seeing any suitable images. That one's pretty good, but I think I must say for this leather couch, which is another term for a sofa. Let's see what pops up. There's one or two more options, but let's check out the first page. Let's try another term, leather chair. I think that would be a better option over here. Awesome. So there's a leather chair. You can play around with the terms as I mentioned. I'm going to go ahead and just select this one for now. It is a leather sofa. Save my image selection. Let's check it out. That actually looks really good. So I'm going to leave it as is now and head over to update content. Now over here, you can change the title and subtitle, which is this content over here, to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say get free estimates. You could say get directions or get in touch, some ideas for you, or book our services. But I want people to get a free estimate, so I'm going to leave it as is and head over to choose link. Now over here you can link to another website. Maybe you have a calendar booking website that you'd like to link to, for example, if you're taking bookings. Otherwise, you can link to another part of your multi-sites website. So at the moment, it's for the lead form at the bottom, which I'm actually going to leave because I want people to go to that lead form to get a free estimate. But you can link to an action like click to call, directions link, or click to email, or upload a PDF file. So maybe you have a catalog of the different services and rates you offer in PDF format. Go ahead and upload it over there. Awesome. We're making such great progress on our websites. Over here, again, content that was pre-written for you as a guideline button can link to various places. Head over to update section and make those changes where you want to. We've now made our way into the About Us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into the leather repair service industry. Do you offer quick turnaround time, free estimates? Go ahead and put as much details here as possible. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of the different services your leather repair service offers. Do you offer free consultations and assessments? Do you fix cracks, tears, scratches, and discoloration? Do you only work with high quality materials and products to restore leather to its original quality? Go ahead and put all those details over here so your customers know what they can come to you for, what services you can offer them. We've now made our way into that lead form, which I previously mentioned. Over here, your customers can put in their contact details, their name, their email address, their message. Click on send, and you will get notified that you have a lead via email from this form. You can also find all your leads in the site dashboard as well. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our leather repair service in not even 10 minutes. We've made some changes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know coding, and I definitely didn't need to hire a professional or a freelancer website developer to help me with this. I did it all myself. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about that free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in. I know with most online services these days, you have to put your credit card details in before even trying it. Not with Marty Sites, no credit card details. Sign up for that free trial by clicking on the link below. Now, if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and go through the various steps by clicking on I already have a domain. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over with a step-by-step guide over on our website, www.martysites.com. Click on blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of great marketing articles, so give them a read. If you don't have a domain, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your Google domain from the Multi-Sites platform. All you need to do is click on I want a new domain and go through the various steps in purchasing one. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Multi-Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.